Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pepe update today. And we've talked about Pepe's hanging man on the monthly, which has been invalidated. And right now, things are a little bit worrying, I may say. And let's look what is really going on in here. So, you have been trying to retest a broken support and resistance, but right now, it seems like Pepe is kind of more interested to come down to retest this place that it had actually broken out before that it never got to retest. So if I do drag the trend line, we are talking about this trend line right over here, and you have the break to the upside, and now you're just coming down like this and down and down. And yes, you've actually failed to hold the previous all-time high. You have actually made a fake out. You did retest, but you made a fake out. And now you're just coming down, and you're coming down to probably 881 one more time, because that's the broken neckline previously that you didn't really retest. So break to the upside, you're coming down again, and this is where you might start to maybe make some buying bids one more time and get lucky to see another leg and another push to the upside as well. But if you start to do something where you go down like this, you start to take out 810, you even go to 744, close like this, that would actually be a little bit worse, and then you may even actually fall down to this technical target of 603, because that's going to be your next big level of support in the future. So that's all for the quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.